Hey traders, welcome to the Trading Analysis. My name is Alex and today we are going to go through a complete forensic of the two trades, one currently we still have on the AVAV, which is the aerospace and defense company in the industrial sector based in the USA. AVAV is a company based in Arlington, which is the greater area of the Washington DC. And this company is engaged in making unmanned aircraft, drones as we call them, also tactical missiles and the other necessary components of the different defense system in the US. We started to observe stock around late February, beginning of March, and I'm gonna play out a video that we have sent at that time to our members presenting our possible outlook for this stock.
AVAV, new stock we added today. Brand new one. Alex brought this to our attention. Unmanned drone company. Obviously, a lot of wartime tensions. China and Taiwan is concerning. Russia, Ukraine doesn't seem to be easing at all. And this one is so coiled. It's an E-wave triangle within the wave 4 triangle. If this thing can go 98, 99 bid, we should be able to move on up into the take profits fairly easily. So I'm liking that one.
We entered our first trade at the 8th of March on this possible triangle breakout at 92.50, and we did get a five-way move on the upside, but then this relatively vicious, very deep pullback stopped us out at 100.01 for a modest 8% gain in this first trade. We continued to monitor the stock via RRG or relative rotation graphs, and we noticed a couple of weeks back that AVAV on the monthly is trying to hook back towards the middle portion of the leading quadrant, and that on weekly RRG we are heading towards the improving quadrant, which gave us a notice that we should pay attention again on this stock. After that observation on RRG, we entered into a second trade at 99.50 on 29th of June 2023. Also, the technical picture was still within the borders of our wave count since we didn't drop below 80, which will basically invalidate our wave count and put us back into this long consolidation, which was labeled here as big triangle in the wave 4. Then last night on 5th of September, post-market close, we had new earnings from AVNV, which beat on several fronts analyst forecast, and stock ripped higher around 25 to 30% on today's open. So what is next for AVAV? If we look this longer term pattern, we are counting this as a wave 1 pullback in a wave 2, very nice five-way move up in a wave 3, and a long consolidation with rather rare E-wave of the whole triangle as a triangle as well. So we label this as a fourth wave completion. As you can see, also this trend line provided a very nice technical support. We bounced off a couple of times from this trend line. We labeled that as complex pullback in a wave 2, and we are expecting now a further development on the upside in the blue wave 3, 4 and 5 to complete the whole cycle. Also, we can see one of the usual measurements that we use in general market conditions, that also 200 moving average was supporting this observation, combined with RRG and Elliott wave methodology, suggested that this stock has more room to go and actually supported our overall analysis. We moved our stop today at 103 to protect our entry, and we are looking for a further development on the upside in the possible blue wave 3, 4 and 5, as I said, to complete the whole cycle. That's all for tonight, traders. So thank you on the attention. I hope you enjoyed this detailed forensic on one trade that we recently initiated. There is a lot of similar stuff going on at TradingAnalysis. I hope you had a glimpse of the process that we apply when we trade any of our stock in our swing desk. So take a trial and join us and see in a little bit more depth what we do. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Hi, it's Todd from TradingAnalysis.com. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, my team and I have so much to share with you in terms of our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, portfolio management tactics, trading in and out, maybe options, sector rotation. Let us know what's most interesting to you. Maybe drop that in the comments section and we'll do our best to work it in. Also, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. And finally, you can check us out at TradingAnalysis.com if you'd like to see us manage our real portfolios in real time. Thanks again for watching.